Well, let's talk about triangles. Triangles have two names. Every triangle has two names. Just like you have a first name and a last name, triangles have two names. You have to look at first their sides and then their angles, or vice versa. It doesn't matter as long as you give them their names. So if you're looking at the sides of a triangle, you can have an equilateral triangle, and that's just what it sounds like. Equilateral sounds like equal. So if all three sides are equal, it is equilateral. Isosceles, that's a weird word, isn't it? Isosceles means it has two equal sides. This side and this side are equal, but not the bottom. So isosceles means it has two equal sides. I like to see the double. I see S and S here, and I see E and E here. So I think of doubles. That helps me remember that it means two sides are equal. And then the last side one is scalene. They're the weird ones. Nothing's equal. So I call them scary scalenes because nothing's equal. So that makes them a scalene triangle. So that's the first name you give them by their sides. Either they're all equal, making them equilateral. Two of them are equal, make them isosceles, or none of them equal, making them scary scalene. Then you look at their angles because their angles give them a name. If all three angles are acute, remember acute little angles, the tiny ones, the ones that are less than 90 degrees. So if all three angles are acute, it's an acute triangle. And it can't just be that it has one acute angle because every triangle has at least one acute angle. So they have to be all three acute, and that makes it acute. Right means it has one right angle. It can't have two right angles. If it did, it wouldn't be a triangle. Grab your paper and try to draw a triangle that has two right angles. It won't work. It turns into a rectangle. So it if it has one right angle, that makes it a right triangle. Same way with obtuse. If it has one obtuse angle, then it's an obtuse triangle. It can't have two because it wouldn't be a triangle if it did. Try to draw one, it won't work. So they're either all three acute, which makes it acute, one of them's right, which makes it right. One of them's obtuse, which makes it obtuse. And then they have the names together. So look, if you look at this right triangle in the middle here, it is a right triangle because it has a right angle. Plus, this side and this side are equal. So that makes it also a isosceles triangle. They can have two names. So look at their sides and decide, are they all equal? Are two of them equal? Or none of them equal? That gives them one name. Then look at their angles. Are they all acute? Is one of them right? Is one of them obtuse? That gives them their second name.